start this car.
Hello, welcome to Car Throttle. My name is Alex.
I'm Gareth.
And today you join us at the Nürburgring with the £1 Volvo, a car that you won't have seen on the channel for around 6 months. But all of that changes today because, Gareth, what are we doing?
We are going to strip and rip this Volvo.
Indeed we are. We're going to strip out all unnecessary weight. We're talking bonnet, wings, interior, boot lid, everything to ensure that this car is as light as possible to make it as fast as possible. To spice things up a bit, we're going to add in some competition in the shape of a Skoda Octavia VRS. Like the Volvo, it's a diesel estate, but that's where the similarities end, because as you can probably tell, this one doesn't cost £1. Fully spec'd, it's a £38,000 car with a 200 horsepower 2-litre TDI engine, 7-speed DSG gearbox, all-wheel drive, launch control and a 0 to 62 time of 6.8 seconds. It's a fast and efficient daily driver, so let's see how quickly it can tackle the Nürburgring.
I think it's going to be a really tough challenge.
I think so too, yeah. And it's just started raining and this has got all-wheel drive.
And
so.
I was about to say,
Yeah.
And all-wheel drive and fresh tyres.
Anyway, we've got Jack at the start-finish line. He's going to be counting us in and also doing the timing on the very accurate mobile phone, just to keep you happy.
Okay, Alex, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, come on! God, that is
wild, that's
laborious.
Right, here we go, up to speed.
Oh, he's coming in hot.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah,
It's just munching through the corners.
It's so good, yeah.
no wonder the police use these.
Really good.
Oh, it's going to be quite a quick lap time, I feel.
This car's really quick.
It's good.
I think it's the cornering.
It's very impressive.
just
And it feels
hunkers
properly
down, doesn't
stable, doesn't it? Jack, what was the time on that? We're slightly worried already that we don't actually stand a chance in the Volvo.
That was a 39.8 actually. Just got a bit slower, but the Volvo would probably beat it then. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, launch control program active.
Oh, wow, I didn't see that. I don't know. Let's try and be a little bit braver.
Oh, it's screaming. Oh, it's just correcting the arse end.
Come on.
This is so good, isn't it?
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Jack, that felt fast, mainly because we were ploughing up the grass.
You got a 39.6 that time.
Oh, slightly faster.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's better.
Much better.
There we go. Come on. Oh, this is a lot more wild. Use all the track, that's what they say. Come on. There we go.
You did a 39.1.
Before we continue, I want to tell you guys about this week's video sponsor, Pouch, which is a free desktop browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you're shopping online. To prove just how idiot-proof Pouch is, I shall now demonstrate by buying some oil on Euro car parts. So if I want to get myself some semi-synthetic 1040 oil, 1 litre, the price for that is £15.99, but not for me, because I've got Pouch backing me up. So all I need to do is go to checkout, Pouch will automatically pop up, try all codes, and then let's see what Pouch comes back with. I'm feeling lucky today, by the way. Come on, Pouch. There we go, £8.79, saving me £7.20. Thank you very much, Pouch, I'll have some of that. Pouch works on over 3,000 UK sites, including eBay, Euro Car Parts and Amazon. And it only takes a couple of clicks to install and pin to your browser. Get Pouch for free right now by clicking the link in the description below. So now it's the turn of the 280,000 mile £1 Volvo. And in case you were wondering,
If you're at home feeling bad for this thing, then don't. It is on its last legs for sure. I think if anything, it's sort of a mercy killing for this Volvo.
Car is really acting very strange. It was starting to cut out, and then you switched off the traction control. That seems to have fixed it. Magically, the windscreen seems to have a massive crack in it.
Yeah, well, I mean, that and the gauges are doing some weird, funny things. The whole console just turns off randomly as well. So
we're not feeling very good about this, but we're in a Volvo, so we'll be safe for now. So we'll do our 3 laps and then see how much work we've got to do.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh God!
Oh, what?
It's just
lacking, isn't it?
Oh no, it's run out of turbo. It genuinely has run out of turbo.
I think it's cutting the power.
It is cutting the power big time.
Oh.
Oh God, all the lights are coming on.
This does not feel steady.
No.
God,
Is this foot flat to the floor? Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Come on. It was the anti-skid doing something. Oh God.
Jesus Christ.
What happened there?
Yeah, the turbo, well, I mean, it's just cutting fuel to the engine and the dials are all over the shop. We don't know, but what's our time?
Well, you did that in a amazing 49.4.
Wow, that's a lot slower than I thought.
We're just going to press some buttons and see if that does anything.
Does this, oh, look, this thing says it's off, right? I think it's happy.
3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 more.
I just don't want it to cut power again.
I think it's happy. Maybe it had air bubbles.
Yeah. Oh God.
Oh my God. It's like driving a large boat. Jesus Christ.
I swear the front and the rear just
Yeah,
took that corner
yeah.
at different times.
Oh,
Come on.
I don't trust these brakes.
I don't trust this car. We've got our dials back at least. Oh, that was strong.
You did that in 42.8.
Oh, not bad. Right, we're going to give this one more go to see if we can max out as much power from this poor car as possible. So count us in.
3, 2, 1, go.
The whole not having bolster support is actually really difficult.
Whoa!
Well, this is more lively.
We've lost power!
Oh my God, go, 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 go.
Oh no, come on!
That seemed really fast.
Oh,
Yeah, we had some technical difficulties. What did we get?
You had a 44.2 that time.
not too bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's strip it and rip it. Okay, so we've done the laps and we've run the numbers. We know that there's quite a lot of time to claw back. We need to save a lot of weight. So we've got some scales over there. I reckon that this car will, by the end of the day, as long as it stays dry and as long as the car doesn't die, I reckon it'll be faster than the Octavia. We've got, what, 3.5, 4 seconds to claw back. The 0 to 60 or the drag race could be very interesting as well.
I'm saying my money, unfortunately, is on the Octavia.
Anyway, enough talking, let's strip it and rip it! By the way, if you want to see more of these kind of episodes, then let us know. And if you want to like suggest cars that we do this with,
Oh, yeah, we really enjoy doing
do,
these.
yeah.
They're really good fun.
and it's really sketchy.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you've properly cracked it.
Transition.
Whoa, that's a beast.
Why do we need that?
The size there.
We're going to need that.
We don't need a battery.
Need to start it.
Yeah, but we'll start it off the jump pack. Yeah? I'm gonna pull the center console out because race car. Yeah? Oh, did we need that? Oh, shit. I think I cracked more of the window.
This windscreen's not had a good day today, has it?
Why are there two jacks in this car?
The third one over there.
Whoa, there's a race bonnet.
Keep walking. Oh, it's gonna whip us.
Oh, it's gonna get you. I was cutting the exhaust off and then a whole clump of dirt just fell on the side of my head. What did you do?
Prove it. Hey, don't cry about it.
Wah.
Yes!
Yeah! That was worth getting a kilogram of food to the... Oh.
That only weighs a kilo. There's no point. No, joking. We're not going to weigh everything we've taken out. We've got as far as we're willing to. Weigh it, hit the track. Let's go. Car is completely stripped. Ethan and Jack have got the final number. Before we reveal that, how much do you think we took out?
I'm reckoning about 490.
I'm going to go 475. Jack, do you want to fling over the...
Oh, good throw.
So behind the flap, we have got the final number. 475 is what I think, 490 is what you think. The total, I can reveal, is... 369.
And there's a whole bunch of fixings that we didn't weigh, so we can round that up to about
600. Okay, so let's find out now what the Volvo can do with 369 kilograms taken out. I think the cruise control still works. Right, should we go for a little, just a little jog around?
Poodle. Okay.
Whoa, this is way better. Yeah, this is more like it. There's a lot of diesel coming in.
There's a lot of everything coming in.
Okay, I'm happy. It feels good. It's a lot more nimble.
Okay, Alex, the time you need to beat is 42.8. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, 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 go!
Oh, we've got axle tramp. This needs to go. Jesus!
Oh! We're gonna get tossed out of this car.
You hear him screaming.
Come on, Volvo!
Come on, Volvo, you can do this. Go, 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 go! Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it! Go, go, go!
Come on!
Go, go, go! Ah!
You did a 41.3.
Now that you've beat its own time, now you need to go after the VRS, which is a 39.1. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, 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 go! Oh my god! Oh, God, this is fast! Oh. Go, 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 go!
Yeah, that was quicker. That was a 14.4.
That's not bad. Guys, we're gonna try and get into the 39s.
We've got to be braver.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, brave start, mate.
Hold tight!
Yeah, yeah, I'm holding, I'm holding. This poor Volvo. We need more speed. Oh, it's neat. Yes.
Come on!
Go, 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 go! Whoa, I got a good feeling. Let's go. What are the numbers?
That was a 40.3.
40.3. Keep going.
Until this car is cooked.
3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go! More change. Oh, an eater. It's an eater.
Come on!
Come on, car. Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Alex did everything right there. I hope this is a good time.
That was a 39.7.
Oh, yes!
Oh my God!
Oh, well done. Is that half a second off?
0.6.
0.6. Don't you dare!
Go again?
Yeah. This is awesome.
How much more can you give, Alex? Come on, there's got to be more there. You can do more, right? Come on.
I'll give it a bloody good go.
3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go. Good start. Oh, you mullet that little cone. Oh, it's fast, it's fast. Good, good, good. Go, 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 go.
That was a 39.4.
Oh my
Yes.
God!
With the Volvo's lap time now only 0.3 seconds behind, it was time to engage full send mode.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, good going, Mike.
We're now at a point where we maybe need to call it.
That was a good effort, guys.
We're 0.3 away, right?
Yeah.
I think that in itself is already a victory.
Your tyres are cooked.
So now we've established what stripping the equivalent of 2 Eddie Halls and an Ethan Smale does to lap times, let's take a quick look at how that translates to a few drag races.
3, 2, 1, go.
As you can see in round 1, the £1 Volvo with all its faculties intact gets absolutely dominated by the VRS, crossing the line 2 seconds later. With the weight stripped out, the scales are now a lot more balanced, and in the interest of fairness, we'll run 2 races. One with the VRS in standard sport mode, the other with sport mode and launch control engaged. Here goes. Amazingly, the Volvo gets the better launch and stays ahead, beating the VRS to the line by 0.15 seconds. So let's run again and see if our Swedish climbing frame on wheels has what it takes to beat launch control. With a perfect start from both cars, the Skoda stays ahead and that's where it stays, winning by 0.8 seconds. Overall then, the £1 Volvo wasn't the victor here, but 1 out of 3 wins ain't bad. Good job. Plus, if you consider that the stripped Volvo's lap times were indeed quicker than the Octavia's without a launch control start, you've got to hand it to the Swede and say, your last day on Earth was arguably your greatest.
So another day is done at the Coburg Ring where we stripped and ripped our £1 Volvo. The findings were extremely favourable. We nearly, achingly came close to the
Pretty
Octavia
much.
VRS.
And the drag race was amazing. Who would have thought that that Skoda with the launch control off would be beaten by this trendy Volvo?
Indeed. So what that goes to prove is that yes, you can make your car faster for free, but you shouldn't do unless you've got a trailer and a racetrack and stuff, because the police, they probably won't take kindly to me driving back down on the M40 in this. Anyway, from us, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this episode, then make sure you subscribe to the Car Throttle YouTube channel by clicking on this link. Check out more videos down there, and don't forget to check out our sponsor this week, Pouch. The link is in the description below. Right, the scrap man is just arriving. Let's go say hello to him.